I'm CARCRAZEDKID here, and today we are interviewing Greg and his amazing red Bronco. So, Greg, why did you buy this thing? What made you buy it?
Well, I originally didn't think to buy this particular one, but it was purchased at Mecum Auto Auction, and it was a 1966 U13 Roadster. There was only 250 of them known to exist, and that's what brought me to this car, is its rarity and then how clean it was.
So, what got you into cars?
Well, I mean, I originally just started, as I got older, I started to really want to have a certain car that I could drive around that was fun to drive. And I kind of leaned towards SUVs and trucks.
So, do you know the year of this car?
It is the first year of Broncos. It's in 1966.
It's pretty old. So, what about horsepower, torque, stuff like that?
Well, this is the original inline six engine, which is 170 cubic inch. It only has 105 horsepower. So it doesn't have a lot of power, but it sounds like it does.
And can you just show us around the car?
Yeah, absolutely. So right here is what we talked about earlier. This is a 3 on the tree. So back in the day, it's a manual transmission, but the only thing on the floor is your clutch here, and then you have 4 low, neutral, 2 high, and 4 high. And then this is where you go, reverse is up, 1 is down, 2 is up, 3 is down directly from 2. This is your blinkers. These are the gauges, original gauges. This is your choke. Whenever you start the car, you need to choke the engine because it doesn't have like a modern starter. Right here, you undo these, and that drops this top.
What about the door? Is this stock, factory, or?
The U13 Roadster came from the factory without doors and a top. That's what made it so original and unique, that it didn't come with a top like a normal Bronco that you see that everybody wants, with a removable hard top and doors and everything. So U13 came from the factory just like this, without the top and without the doors.
So, can you pop the hood and show us?
Yeah, so the hood doesn't pop like a normal car. You come over here, and this is the lever for it. It releases that, and then you have a switch right here, squeeze, and then you pick up this big, ginormous hood. Pretty simple. It's not like the other cars. This had some added features to it, like windshield wipers, so it has a windshield wiper fluid bag.
So, see that this is pretty small compared to some that we have nowadays.
Correct.
And everything here looks kind of small.
It's simple.
So, do you know, why do people like these? Why do people want these particular Broncos over other Broncos?
Well, previously to now they have the new Bronco that's releasing, but it's kind of the nostalgia of the car, right? This is the first year that the Bronco was ever introduced, which made it very unique for me, and it made it a no-brainer for me to purchase this particular Bronco, because it is a 1966. They started in 1965, but the first model that they ever released was in 1966. And you just can't find it, you know? It's the body, the frame, all the stuff from this car is from so long ago that it's just the nostalgia of having it, and the importance of keeping history like this around.
So that is this Bronco, and that was Greg. So make sure you like and subscribe down below. and share this video to anyone you know who is interested in cars or Broncos like this.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe right now. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe. Or other way around. Probably like and subscribe though. Anyway, like and subscribe to Car Crazed Kid.